Ever felt that jolt of anxiety when you've made a payment and you're left wondering if it actually went through? Or maybe you've been hit with unexpected fees because you lost track of your spending. What if there was a way to always be in the know, to have your bank actively communicate with you about every single financial move you make, keeping you empowered and in control? Well, that's exactly where Monzo's app notifications come in. Forget everything you think you know about banking notifications. This isn't just about a ping when your salary lands. Monzo has truly revolutionized the way we interact with our money, turning what used to be a passive, once-a-month statement review into a real-time, dynamic conversation. For many, Monzo's instant notifications were one of the primary reasons they made the switch from traditional banks, and for good reason. They're not just a convenience, they're a fundamental shift in how you manage your financial life. In this deep dive, we're going to dissect every single type of notification Monzo offers, showing you how to customize them, understand their purpose, and ultimately, leverage them to become a true master of your money. We'll explore everything from the instant buzz of a transaction to the subtle nudges that help you stick to your budget. So, let's get into it. First up, and arguably the most famous, are the instant transaction notifications. These are the core of Monzo's real-time banking experience. The moment you use your Monzo card, whether it's for a coffee, groceries, or an online purchase, you get a notification. It pops up on your phone almost simultaneously with the transaction going through. This isn't just a confirmation, it's a powerful fraud detection tool. Imagine you're at home, and you get a notification for a purchase you didn't make. That instant alert allows you to react immediately, freeze your card within the app, and contact Monzo support, potentially saving you from significant financial loss. It's peace of mind in your pocket. But it's more than just security. These notifications show you the merchant's name, the amount spent, and your updated balance. This constant, granular feedback loops you into your spending habits in a way no traditional bank ever could. You see exactly where your money is going as it leaves your account. This immediate visibility is crucial for mindful spending and avoiding that dreaded end-of-month scramble. You can even add notes or receipts to transactions directly from the notification, making expense tracking a breeze. Next, let's talk about direct debit and standing order notifications. These are vital for managing your recurring bills and subscriptions. Monzo doesn't just let these payments happen in the background, it gives you advanced warning. You'll typically get a notification a few days before a direct debit is due to be taken, giving you ample time to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. This is incredibly helpful for avoiding missed payments, overdraft fees, and the stress that comes with them. What's even better is that Monzo also notifies you when a new direct debit or standing order is set up on your account. This is a crucial security feature, as it immediately alerts you to any unauthorized recurring payments. If you don't recognize a new direct debit, you can investigate and cancel it straight from the app, protecting yourself from fraudulent charges or subscriptions you didn't intend to sign up for. Moving on, we have salary sorter notifications. If you're using Monzo as your main bank, this feature is a game changer. When your salary lands, Monzo recognizes it and sends you a notification prompting you to use the salary sorter. This brilliant tool allows you to instantly allocate your income into different pots, more on those in a moment, for bills, savings, and spending, all with a few taps. The notification acts as your personal financial assistant, reminding you to sort your money as soon as it arrives, setting you up for financial success from payday onwards. No more mental gymnastics trying to figure out where everything needs to go. Speaking of pots, Monzo's pot-related notifications are essential for anyone using this fantastic budgeting feature. Monzo pots are essentially virtual sub-accounts within your main account, designed to help you organize your money for specific goals or expenses. You can create pots for anything: rent, holidays, a new gadget, an emergency fund, or even just your weekly grocery budget. Monzo will send you notifications related to your pots when money is moved into or out of them. For instance, if you have a scheduled payment to top up your savings pot, you'll get a notification when that transfer occurs. If you've set a savings goal for a pot, Monzo can even send you progress updates, celebrating your milestones and encouraging you to keep going. These notifications turn your savings goals into an active, engaging process rather than a passive accumulation. Now, let's delve into budgeting and spending target notifications. This is where Monzo truly helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Within the app, you can set spending targets for different categories, like eating out, transport, or shopping. Monzo will then send you intelligent notifications to help you manage your spending against these targets. For example, if you're halfway through the month and you've already spent 75% of your eating out budget, Monzo might send you a friendly nudge, a notification warning you that you're spending quickly in that category. If you exceed a target, you'll get an alert letting you know you've gone over. These proactive notifications empower you to make informed decisions about your spending in real time, helping you avoid overspending and stick to your budget. It's like having a personal financial coach constantly monitoring your habits and providing timely advice. Beyond these core categories, Monzo also provides several other helpful notifications. You might receive payment request notifications if someone sends you a Monzo.me link or requests money from you through the app. This streamlines the process of settling up with friends and family. Similarly, you'll get faster payment notifications for incoming bank transfers, letting you know the moment funds land in your account. Monzo also sends card control notifications. For instance, if you freeze or unfreeze your card within the app, you'll get a confirmation notification. This small but important detail reinforces the control you have over your card's security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.